In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Razer Leviathan V2X to Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your Razer Leviathan V2X on any Xbox console that you have, so Xbox One or the modern new-gen Xbox Series X or S. The difficulty with connecting this particular soundbar from Razer to an Xbox is that these consoles do not support USB audio and Bluetooth audio, so you will not be able to use the provided USB cable to plug it into your Xbox, and you will not be able to use the Bluetooth function. The only options that you have to connect it to your Xbox will be through workarounds, so you can try looking for an adapter. Sometimes you might be able to find Bluetooth adapters that plug into your controller's 3.5mm audio port, but usually they have a lot of latency. The best workaround that I've seen people talk about is to plug the Razer Leviathan V2X directly to your TV or display. So as long as your Xbox is hooked up to a monitor, TV, or any display that you have, you will be able to use the audio out port on that specific display and use a 3.5mm cable, usually going into the soundbar. So instead of connecting the Razer Leviathan V2X directly to the Xbox, you just have to plug it in directly to the display that is hooked up to the Xbox. This way, all of the audio being output through the Xbox will go over to the display that is consequently sending it to the soundbar. So essentially all of the audio being output by the Xbox will go over to the Razer Leviathan V2X. It is unfortunate that you cannot do it directly, but this is going to be the best compromise. So use an aux cable known as a 3.5mm audio cable to plug the soundbar directly into your display. Use the audio out port, which means that all of the audio being output through the display will go over to the Razer Leviathan V2X. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Razer Leviathan V2X to Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.